Happy 30th birthday, my dear Anne. I'm so touched with what I'm doing right now because I am giving you a message on your 30th birthday. Thank you so much, my dear. You'll always be remembered. You're always here in my heart because you're one of the sweetest students that I have before when I am teaching at Dr. Carlos S. Lanting College. You are one of my favorite students, way back 2002. Why you're one of my favorite? Because you're polite, you are responsible one, masipag na bata, and at the same time, of course, you are a smart girl. Every time ang maalala ko sa'yo, you are your sweetness. Hindi ko because apart from being a smart girl, you're so sweet. Magalang. Pag nakikipag-usap ka sa amin, sa akin, ay yung soft voice mo ay hindi ko makakalimutan. Yeah, medyo may kaso nga lang, I seldom hear and I seldom see that one. Kasi I know that you're a bit classy, during the time, and more classy this time. Tama ako. Okay. So, you're always here in my heart, my dear. Continue to be a blessing to everyone, to your workplace, to your family. I know that you're doing that because I can see sa mga ipinopost mo sa Facebook, the activities that you are doing. It's all about God. It's all about how you serve God. Continue. God bless you, my dear, for all these things that you're doing to your life, to your family. And my wish for you for this day, may you have a blessed birthday. May God continue to shower all the blessings that you deserve in life. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, continue to delight yourself. Delight yourself unto Him, and He will give you all the desires of your heart. Kaya pagpatuloy mo lang ang ginagawa mo, anak. Serving Him with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul. And God will give whatever dreams, whatever wishes that you have. Because God has planned for you, planned not to harm you, but to prosper you. That's why, may God bless you. May God always be the center of your life. God bless you. Happy 30th birthday. I love you.